Hi, so today I'm going to show you how to wrap the perfect present. So I'm going to be wrapping my sister's present for this Christmas. So, perfect example of real life situations. I'm going to be using, obviously, Christmas wrapping. You can use whatever wrapping you want, but you have to have wrapping paper. And you also have to have scissors, but I've already cut a large piece of paper, so I don't need that. You also need tape. Okay, so in order to effectively wrap this, first you have to have the right amount of paper, which obviously this is way too much. Just gonna cut this about in half. This really just depends on the size of whatever present you are going to be wrapping. I'm just wrapping a small box, so I don't really need all that much paper. Okay, so you start with a simple fold. Fold it over the top, and you make sure to get a little tape. Put it on the paper and sticky here. And that's just to make sure that it doesn't move, slide around, do whatever. And then you just wrap this around. Hold on. Make sure it's tight, but not so tight it's ripping. If it's ripping, you're doing it wrong. And once that's tight, you tape it. And then you want to remember which part's the top, which part's the bottom. This is my top, and I know that because inside the words are right side up. So this is my top, this is my bottom. So we're gonna flip it over so that the bottom's facing up for right now. And we're going to just kind of fold the sides in here to make the ends somewhat shaped of a triangle. It's not going to be a good triangle at this point. It's just going to be kind of inward bound like this. Okay, so we're going to do that, and then we're going to bend this downward and then fold this upward. And fold it real tight. We're going to want to fold in all the little edges here so that it's not sticking out over the rest of the project. And you're going to want to pull it tight over the end, not so tight that it's ripping, but tight so that it's a nice obvious square. And then you tape it. And you don't just tape that part, you also tape the sides over here so that this part, sides here, are taped shut, make it harder for them to get to it. If you're wrapping a present for a toddler, then it is acceptable to not have this. You can leave the corner pieces off. Anyone else, it's not acceptable to leave it untaped because toddlers have low motor skills. So there's that. And you just tape up the corner real nice. Then repeat with the other side. And then fold upward, inward, upward, and take, and take. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you wrap a perfect present.